What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
Today I got a product for you that I believe every household nowadays probably should have. It is a charging station, and this charging station is by TechBuds. And the reason why I picked this one up is because I do have the iPhone 10, and not only does this have the multiple array of USB ports, it also has a wireless charging dock. So first, let me go around this box real quick. It has wireless charging. Output max is 50 watts. 3 USB ports, 1 USB Type-C port, artificial intelligence, which I will get into that, Smart Protect, rapid charging, and it says it's universal, meaning that it can charge multiple. If you have iPhones and Androids living in the same household, then it will charge all your devices for you at the same time. Inside the box, what you'll have the power cord, you'll have some literature. It comes with the USB to USB mini cable, and this is for the wireless charging dock. So here's the product right here. You have 5 slots which can hold 5 separate devices. It's about 1 inch per slot. It's very smooth to the touch.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
I believe this is a silicone material that's coated on here to prevent from scratching your mobile device and whatnot. And over here, let me take this off. Over here you have your wireless charging device. Now this wireless charging device is detachable, just in case you want to take this with you and leave this at home. And that's why the USB mini cable was provided with this, so that you have another cord with you to take on the go, so you're not scrambling and looking for another USB mini cable. Even though most people probably have multiple USB mini cables in the house, it was a nice touch for TechBuds to actually add the USB mini cable in the box. So as we go around this product right here, you have a USB Type-C port, you have 2 USB 2.0 ports with AI, and you have 1 USB 3.0 port with quick charge. This is a Qi charging 10 watts wireless charging pad as well, and you insert the power cable on the back side right here. And this product was about $50 on Amazon. As always, I'll put the links in the description down below. I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, just in case if you're looking for something like this, or you see something similar on Amazon like this. They do have other different colors from different companies, pretty much set up the same. Wireless charging on the front, multiple slots on the back side to charge up multiple mobile devices. And also, I picked these USB lightning cables up for about $6. There's 4 in here. Pretty nice braided cable. So I'm gonna set this up and I will show you exactly how I'll be using this. So I need to be completely honest with you when it comes to this. If your device has a case on it, has a thick case, if you're using this for kids, their mobile devices maybe have bigger cases on it, maybe like this, a more foam padding on there, their device would not fit in here. This device is definitely designed for mobile devices that don't have big cases around them. Now, if you have a cell phone that has a big out-of-box case, I think it still might fit in here. The measurement between each gap is 0.9 inches. But if you do have a tablet or an iPad with a bulky case on it for your kids, I don't think this product is for you. It's not very narrow, but it is sort of narrow. Let me show you real quick. So just for reference purpose, here's my iPhone 10. With the case on it, it fits in here just fine. I will be charging it on the front side, but for my daughter's tablet, her Amazon Fire tablet, I think this is the 6 or whatever, it doesn't fit in there. It doesn't fit at all. I would have to take the case off to have it fit in there comfortably. And then also my other daughter has this, what case is this? She has this snug case with a keyboard on here, and it definitely doesn't fit. I think if I shove it down, if I did shove it down, it would stay in there, but I think that's too much. I would just like the mobile device to fit in there without any force. So that's something to consider when buying this. I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to this. I might look for a different charging station that has bigger slots, or maybe just fewer slots. I'm not sure yet, but nonetheless, this is the wireless charging station from TechBuds. it is nice if you just have all cell phones going on in here. This is a perfect charging station for you. But if you have tablets or iPads with bulkier cases because you have kids, then I don't think this will be a good product for you. Hey, I'm just here to be honest with you and give you the truth. TechBuds, they probably should have extended this out maybe a couple more inches and made these slots a little bit bigger. That's my honest opinion. And as always, thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time here, please smash that subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon also so that you get updates for my latest tech videos. Like, comment, share. My name is Nicholas. This is Tech Love TV. I'm out. Peace.